My name's Dave Corbin.
My name is Kimberly Laird-Corbin.
I like the Rogue Valley for its grapevines and trees and proximity to the mountains and rivers, and not too far from the ocean either. The best thing about True South was probably the people, the fact that they communicated and they were clear and transparent and let us know what was, even when there was problems with connecting to the old system that we had. They made it smooth. They fixed it.
I agree. I get excited every day when I ask, how much solar did we make? And we go on to the easy to use application from Tesla and find out what exactly we are connecting and what is going back to the grid and what we're using. It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, and we don't think quite as much about whether it's okay to do the laundry now. It might run the bill up by running the dryer too long or something. I would say if you sit down and do the math and you figure out how long it'll take you to pay back what you're paying on electric savings and realize that you don't save 100%, you still will have some fees. I mean, at night you don't make solar, for one thing. And so if you take those things into consideration and then sit down and figure out whether or not paying for it up front makes sense versus paying for it with interest on it, do all those things, and if you come up with a positive answer, you're going to come out ahead. Well, I'd say it's a wonderful thing, and you're saving the environment, so to speak. You know, at least you're doing your little part.
And the tax benefits are awesome. So when you do your taxes at the end of the year, you're actually excited because you're going to get all this ka-ching, ka-ching back.
Yeah. If somebody asked me whether or not I would advise using True South Solar for their solar panel installs, I'd say yes. I think they did a great job.
I definitely agree. Go with True South. They rock.